Hi everybody, now I would like to explain you about the proverb. What is called proverb in the English language? Generally we use the proverbs very frequently in our daily life. A proverb is a short sentence. A proverb is nothing but a saying or a general truth. In this session we are going to discuss an important proverb such as every man is the architect of his own future or character is destiny. Every man is the architect of his own future. Character is destiny. There are so many people in this world who are getting disappointment for every this and that. There is no use of getting disappointment for every this and that without having the proper planning. If you have the planning properly in your mind, the result which comes for you will be perfect. If you don't have the schedule properly in your mind, negative result will come. In order to get positive result, positive attributes are to be followed by you. Hard work and the worth of the time. We should work hard. There are so many people who do the hard work without getting success. We have to do hard work to get success in order to achieve your goals. But you should have the passion. Passion means a strong desire. There is no use of doing the hard work without having a passion towards the work which is done by you. We should have proper planning with the passion. If we have the strong desire with the interest in the work which is done by you, positive results will come and you will get success very shortly. Success will be dependent on the way of thinking. We should have proper way of thinking in order to achieve our goals in our life. Every man is the architect of his own future. According to this proverb, we can take the person who is an inspiration to all the people who are getting disappointment in their daily life. An architect. Who is called an architect? An architect is a person who designs buildings. If you take an architect, he always thinks about designs in order to build buildings very beautifully. So that we need to follow an architect. If you follow an architect who designs buildings by following good methods which are created in his mind, definitely in such a way we can also think. If you create our thoughts very beautifully in our mind, we can do any work very beautifully in order to achieve our goals in a short span of time. So many people are being lazy without getting success in this world because once they have faced the problem of failure, again they are not willing to get success. They are simply getting disappointment. They are entirely wasting their time by getting disappointment. Being lazy is very bad habit. Nobody will help us. Nobody will come in order to help you. You have to help yourself. You should create interest in the work which is done by you always. If you don't create that much of interest in order to get good achievements in your life, You will have to face the failure always throughout your life, so that avoid the negativity and develop positivity in you always. Destiny means fate. Some people may think that this is my fate, it happened like this, only because of my fate, but it's not good. That is not fate. If you read the biographies of successful people, you will come to know their problems, how they achieved good things in their life by solving all those problems in their life. So that you should be an inspiration to all the people who are getting disappointment in this world by having proper thoughts in your mind. Your thoughts are to be constructed very beautifully to achieve good things, like an architect who designs beautiful buildings. Okay, in my next session I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.